Guess what? I'm off again. Traveling is a full-time job. Should just put jet setter in my bio at this point. And listen, one thing about me, I love dressing up. I love clothes. I love, just looking cute in public. And that requires a good deal of things, a good deal of items that you have to pack. But pair that with not liking to spend money, we have a problem. And also, I don't like to lug around extra bags if I don't have to. So the only thing I can do to combat this is to learn how to pack. And learn how to pack, I have mastered, especially for international basic economy flights. Because listen, yes, I could, upgrade and have a personal item and a carry-on. But when you are on the go, those carry-ons it's just one more thing to lug around. And after doing this quite literally for the last 3 years, I can't imagine doing it any other way. When you solo travel, you need to be fiercely independent because you never know what the culture is going to be like. So I'm going to show you how I pack a backpack for a month of traveling. I think I'm going to 4 countries. Okay, I lied, 5. I'm going to 5 countries. And yes, it's the summertime, but Florida summer and European summer are 2 different things, as I found out by the weather app. So this is how I pack, not only for everything that I need, but also to make sure I have enough space for souvenirs. I'm going to show you how it works because there are some products that seem silly but make the difference. And there's some things that you should not buy money on, in my opinion. When you learn how to pack light strategically, you're not just saving, yourself the stress of carrying around another bag. You're also saving money for the things that matter, like the food, the experiences, the other traveling, like if you need a bus ticket, train ticket, boat ticket, whatever it may be, your money is going to go towards what matters, not lugging around stuff that you already have. Let's get into it. Okay guys, we're packing for a month in Europe with just a backpack. Let's go. First of all, I like to wear my airport fit while I'm packing, just so it's in my mind that this is not everything, that I also have this. Let's get into it. So this is a backpack I've been using for the last 3-4 years. It's great. I love it. It can expand so big just in case you need it, but let's get into the compartments. Compartment 1, this is a laptop compartment. I like to use a shell I also got from Amazon just to protect it a bit in case it gets pushed around or dropped or whatever. It fits very nicely here, stays in one place, and it gives you a nice backrest while you're wearing it, so it doesn't get all jumbled on your back. Anyways, this is the main compartment. This is where we're going to be putting our clothes, our everything. Third compartment, extra stuff. I'm going to put my bag in there, and also some things I might need immediately. Souvenirs also in here is just a great spot just to grab and go. Other mesh things so I can see it. I put my medicine there too. This is the baby compartment. This is the place that I like to put things I will immediately need, like my pills when I get off, or emergency. But anyways, let's get into the heat of it. Packing cubes. They are not overrated, okay? I only use 2, and I pack so many clothes in there. You know how to roll things. You know how to smush things. I don't need to show you how to do that. But anyways, I take the biggest one and shove it down as my base. And now the key here is to make your bag tall, not fat. And that's what packing cubes do. Now, it's still kind of big. Don't look at that. We're going to fix it. But there you go. It's getting taller. And if we smush it down, she's still going to be able to fit in that compartment. And from there, got a huge space still that we're gonna fill with all our micro stuff. So this is literally everything I'm packing. A second pair of shoes for the beach and other summer locations, because I'm going to London, and so I'm not gonna be using them because it's like 50 degrees, but still really good shoes. Only 2 pairs of shoes. This is my toiletries, things that I will take to the shower or to the bathroom. Skincare and teeth are in here, because I'm also staying at one hostel, so I just want to take one bag and go. This is my hair stuff. Gotta have dry shampoo just in case. Packing it, and look at that. She still has a lot of room. Still rocking it. This is electric outlets, and this is me realizing I have 2 of the same one. I'm like, where's the third? Oh, good. I got the UK one, baby. Hey. Packed it in here, and when you're packing this area, there's gonna be holes that you can kind of Tetris it in. So just keep shoving. Literally, there's no rhyme or reason. You just need to make it work. And she's still thin. This is my makeup. I don't bring a whole lot. This is literally all the makeup I'm bringing. It's eyes. That's my cheek. That's my eyeliner. That's concealer. And that's it. Oh, also mascara. I always go out with this mascara. It's the only one been using for how many years? All the years. And we still have room. Which is great. This is a gift for someone, which is kind of stocky because it's cotton. But that's how much space I'm gonna have when I get back, or like at the end of my trip, so I can stuff it full of other things. This is the food time, so I like to put my food on top, so when I get on the airplane I can just grab it. Oh, deodorant, I'm shoving it in there somewhere. You gotta have deodorant, guys. Please don't leave without it. This is powdered peanut butter, changes the game. I had apples and peanut butter on the flight here. Guys, it's great. And I'm gonna put it right there in that empty compartment. Like I said, we wanna make our backpack tall, not fat, so the more you can put on top of each other, the better. Here it is. I love her so much. Okay, for this guy, love it, but also it's kind of tricky because this is where the backpack gets a little fat. I got this awesome purse from Goodwill. She has amazing compartments, but also a secret compartment that I can travel with peace of mind and no one's gonna pickpocket me this way. So that's where I put like my valuables and passport when I'm traveling with it, making sure all my cards are in there. This is the only travel tripod you need. I'm using it for videos and it's still super skinny. Just checking it. Okay, there she is. She's still well. I can still like squeeze her through. That's another tip. Like when you're packing, just make sure she's not getting too big. And also with these things, just put it in a Ziploc bag. That thing is so bulky, and for what? No reason. I can do well without it. And make sure to check it and that it doesn't look too big of a turtle shell on you, and it's not gonna pull the TSA people their eye aside and be like, man, can you put that in the box, please? These cinchers that come with it do wonders, trust me. And that's just me with my jacket because I'm gonna be wearing that in the airport. Anyways, we're basically done. She's great. Also didn't get this bag checked. Someone did warn me, but they didn't catch me at the end, so I was able to get through without anything. Anyways, another travel hack is to bring a jacket that has either pockets or just is big, and I'll show you that for a reason. But this is me stuffing more food in the zippers. Zippers are great, but if you have, let's say, too many clothes, yeah, here's the thing, too many clothes not fitting in there, you can't bring it, but you want to, get out your jacket. And this is how I travel too. You get your sleeve and you shove what you need through the sleeve. Stay with me, okay? So don't overpack it, but this is what it looks like. And at least in just jacket, it's not gonna fall out. I packed a little bit more and looks like a little sausage, right? And here's the thing, you've got to drape it over your hand so it doesn't look like anything. And if you're afraid of it coming out of the sleeve, get a hair tie, tie the end of it, bam. You can also roll it up so you don't see that exact tie knot, but this is what it looks like. You just carry around with that, no one knows you have extra stuff. Okay, now we're gonna talk about things that I do not recommend, because look at that. If you look at the very top, it says last purchased. I did buy these things. This water bottle, people have influenced me to get, and every single water that I put in here and drank out of my mouth tastes awful. I don't know what exactly this silicone is or what the material is, but it just tastes nasty. You're better off getting a water bottle, dumping or drinking out the water, crinkling it up, going through TSA, and then blowing air in it and putting water back into it. That's a better and cheaper water bottle than this pack of junk. Don't get it. Second one, just get a normal mirror. The lights are too much, it's kind of bulky, and it was like $17 and it didn't really make that big of a difference. Sometimes you don't want the light, so don't get this. Third is this air humidifier. Listen, unless you need that little bit, then get it, because that's all it's gonna give you is a little bit. And for $17 for it to not do its job is like kind of crazy in my opinion. Fourth are these guys. Just go to Dollar General, get the utensils you need, and put them in a pencil bag. You don't have to buy your own type of utensils. And lastly, this thing, it has solar panel and it doesn't work, and they're making you pay $40 for it? No, don't do that. Like, just get a normal one and call it a day. Anyways, guys, that's all my tips. Hope this helped. Love you a lot. I'm gonna go back. I'm in London right now and I need to go back to my family, but I wanted to get this out. Okay, bye bye.